see each mind a garden blossoming in our school in Jepara. Teachers guide with patience, crafting paths for each soul. Lessons shaped with care and love, a life for all to follow. Differentiated dreams we soar. Every heart finds its core. In these halls we learn and grow. Together we're never alone. Hands-on tasks and stories shared. Voices find their own way. Steps unique but goals aligned. In Jepara we see the day. Failures turn to lessons clear. Strength in every tear shed. From confusion shines the light. In learning depths we spread. Differentiated dreams we soar. Every heart finds its core. In these halls we learn and grow. Together we're never alone. Failures turn to lessons clear. Strength in every tear shed. From confusion shines the light. In learning depths we